Apollo versus seamless AI, which is better. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Apollo and seamless AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Apollo. Apollo provides a vast database with millions of verified contacts, making it perfect for lead generation. It offers built in CRM capabilities to manage contacts and outreach efforts all in one place. Users can narrow down prospects based on specific criteria, increasing the chances of finding the right leads. The platform includes email tracking features, enabling users to monitor open and response rates effectively. Its intuitive design makes it easy for users to navigate and utilize all the features without much hassle. New users may find the complex features challenging to navigate initially. The free version has restrictions that may not meet the needs of larger teams or businesses. It includes additional transaction fees alongside payment processing fees, potentially reducing profit margins. Now, let's come towards seamless style. Seamless AI is known for its real time data and highly accurate contact information, making it ideal for sales outreach. The platform provides a powerful search engine to find prospects based on various criteria, enhancing lead generation. It offers an easy to use browser extension that allows users to gather contact information directly from LinkedIn profiles. Includes integration options with CRM systems, facilitating seamless workflow management. The platform provides features for tracking email outreach, helping users refine their strategies. It may come with a steeper learning curve for new users due to its extensive feature set. The pricing can be high compared to some alternatives, which may deter smaller businesses. There might be limitations on the number of searches available in lower tier plans, potentially restricting larger outreach campaigns. Choosing between Apollo and Seamless AI depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a comprehensive CRM with advanced searching capabilities, Apollo might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for real time data and accuracy in contact information, Seamless AI could be your go to solution. That's all for the video.